Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery, and this is our ultimate salvia collection. Something we've done now for 2 years, and it is so popular, and with very good reason. On this advert we're putting up loads of fantastic pictures of these salvias. So it's a mixed selection of 12 different salvias, and this is what the plugs look like. Super healthy, super well established. This was our best-selling collection last year, especially in the summer months. So if you don't know salvias, perennial salvias, you're absolutely going to love them. They are fantastic, very colourful, very easy to look after, and they flower for such a long period of time. And these perennial plants will come back year after year, which makes them fantastic for pots. It makes them great for the borders as well. So if you're looking for a plant to bring colour to your garden, look no further. This is fantastic. See you soon.